motion sick at all?
No.
Weird fits up there. Yeah. There you go. And then you should have a seatbelt on the left and right of you. Somewhere. Sometimes it falls down.
I thought that car was a plane for a second.
Alright, and then I'm gonna scoot the seat back so he can get in, but it'll go forward once he's in. Alright. And just watch out for this cord when you step in.
Yeah.
You can step up on that and slide in.
Ow. Them long old legs of yours. They're not too long legs, but.
Alright, and then there's a bar on the front of the seat, kind of like an old Chevy. There's like a bar. Yeah.
Oh.
And keep scooting up so you can reach those pedals.
Oh, the rudder pedals?
Yep.
Yeah, I think this is good.
Alright. Put your feet out, make sure. Like, put your feet on the pedals. Alright, can you reach the top of them too? That's the brakes. I'll have you check those.
Yes.
Maybe go forward a little bit more.
Little.
And scoot forward or like kind of jiggle back and forth. Make sure it's locked. I don't think the seat's locked. Jiggle the seat forward. Okay. Alright, and then you don't have to close the door yet. I like to leave it open until we're at the runway about to take off, just for some breeze because it gets hot in there.
Heck yeah.
But when I have you close it, you'll pull this, push this down to lock it. So I'll have you practice that real quick.
Yes, ma'am.
So just pull that handle. Pull it. You gotta pull it kind of hard. Kind of slam it.
Oh.
So push it.
I'm not trying to break the door.
You're good. You won't break it.
Oh, wait, hold on.
A little bit more.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure if the seat's in the way. Hold on.
It kind of gets in the way. Just try your best.
Yeah. I'm not sure.
Alright.
The seat's probably in the way.
I'll push it in. You'll just keep it closed. I'll push it in. Put that handle down when it's pushed in. Then give it a bud. Take the door.
He gets to help fly the plane. He had to adjust his seat so he can do with the rudders and all of that. So yeah. Okay, but we're getting ready to do this. So we'll talk to you in a little bit. I get to have my phone on the whole time. So.
And can you see out the window? Do you want this
Alright,
cushion?
Yeah, not too much.
Here, put this cushion
Alright,
under you. Just slide it over.
Thank you.
Does that help at all? Okay.
I can see just over, like right here.
Okay. That'll help at least a little bit. Alright, and then you also have a seatbelt.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then it goes in there.
Oh,
sorry. There you go.
Ew.
Alright, and then we have shoulder harnesses up here. So up to your right. And this metal piece just goes around this circle. Oh, sorry, put that up there.
Oh.
There you go. You might need to loosen it and turn it around. There you go.
I cannot see.
Here, let me loosen this real quick. Try that. real quick, I'll give you guys a passenger briefing. So seatbelts have to be worn during taxi, takeoffs, and landings. You might as well keep it on though.
Yeah.
And then air vents are up here. You can push it in if you don't want the air for some reason, or you can redirect the air by swiveling it. And then we have a fire extinguisher between us. I'll be flying the plane if we do have a fire, so I'll have you or your mom pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the trigger. And then emergency exits are through these doors. So if we do have to have an emergency landing, I'll ask you to unlock the door, so you'll pull it up and then push it down, or push the door out and then lock it down. So then the doors are locked open, so we have an exit to go through. If for some reason we can't go out those doors, we can push out any of the windscreens. And then feel free to talk as much as you guys want. But if I hold up a finger, that just means be quiet for a second so I can hear the radio or talk on the radio. And then if you see something, say something. So if you see other traffic or birds, terrain, anything I should know about, let me know. Okay. Any questions?
Nope.
All right.
I'm grandma.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure.
I haven't been in the plane since I was like 1.
Wow.
So
So I guess you don't really remember it then.
not at all.
Alright, everything's off. Make sure. Throttle. Beacon on. Master on. Clear prop! Alright, make sure no one's around. And you put your headset on.
see a king air over here. I see a king air about to touch down.
Yeah.
That was a very nice touchdown. Wow.
I like hers better.
Heck yeah. Hey, I got mine. Real loud. Wow.
Me too. Alright, turn off our mics.
Alright.
That was awesome.
Let me set up here.
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, and you can unlock your door. A little bit more. Push it back. Keep going. Sometimes it gets stuck. Push.
I'm just trying not to break nothing.
You won't break it. Don't worry. There you go.
There it is.
Alright, and then whoever wants to get out first.
I'll let you out first.
Okay.
Grandma. Yeah, you gonna. I'm gonna get a picture of you sitting right.
Yep, you both, yeah. Thank you.
Of course. You can just let it hang. That's fine. Or like, you can just put it back here.
Thank you.
Yeah. And then this lifts up. This nope, this side. There you go. And then you can scoot your seat back. Sometimes you have to push kind of down in the front.
Yeah.
There you go.
There we go.